Hi, welcome back to Sue's Kitchen JA. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I made my famous trout in coconut milk. So as you can see, I already have my trout. I already cleaned it up. I washed it in clean water. I scale it, and then I use some lime water to just let it sit in it for a while, and then I rinse it off with some clear water, fresh water, and then I just simply add on a little dash of Maggi all-purpose season on it. So that's my fish. These are my seasonings that I'm gonna use. I have my garlic, I have my tomato, I have my onion, I have my sweet pepper, and I have my carrots, I have my thyme, and I have my scallion, and I have 1 cup of coconut milk. And also I have my pot on the fire. It's already hot, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put in the vegetables. So you guys, let's cook. Here's my pot. It's already hot, so what I'm going to add in first is I'm gonna add in the butter. Add in our butter. We're gonna pour our coconut milk, and we're gonna allow those to cook. And while we add in this, we're going to add in also our vegetables. So now we're gonna put in our bell pepper. You can put in any one in any order you choose. So now we're gonna add in our carrots, our tomatoes, and our onions. And so as you can see, we add in all of that. So do you see that color? So beautiful. So we add in everything. We're going to stir it. So we are stirring it, and we are allowing it to cook. So while this is cooking, we allow this to cook first, and then when it is finished, we're going to put the fish on top and cover it and let them steam, because you know fish don't take long to cook. Fish cook really fast. So we're allowing this to cook. We're going to add in just a little pinch of salt, and then we stir. We're going to add in just a small amount of Maggi, or a medium amount, for flavor. So while that is doing that, now we're going to add in our fish. So now we're adding in our fish. So after we place everything in, you can take the vegetables from down the bottom and put it on top of the fish and allow the fish to steam in the coconut milk, or in the in everything. Just allow it to steam in the juice, the mixture that you have made. Just put the vegetables on top because you don't want them to cook out too much, especially the carrots. So we're just moving all of the vegetables from the bottom and placing them on top. Do you see how beautiful this looks? So if you never know that you could actually make trout in coconut milk, now you know, and it tastes really good. I must apologize for my son and my daughter making noise in the background. You know how kids are. So now, as you can see, we're at the final process. You know, fish don't take long to cook. So this is it. This is the finished process. I'm going to show you how it looks when it's shared out. So this is it, guys. Do you see how beautiful this looks? Oh my gosh, I wish you could taste it. But you can just get yourself some trout and follow my instructions, and you can create this awesome dish. It tastes really good. It's really easy, and as I said before, remember fish don't take long to cook. So about 10 minutes and it's ready to be finished. Yeah, or you can Cook it to your desire. Once your fork go through it freely and it separate, then you know, yeah, it's cooked. Like, look at this. This is really nice. Do you see that? Do you see how thick the gravy is? So this is how my trout in coconut milk looks. It looks really good. It smells really nice. Now you can have this with crackers, or you can have it with some boiled dumpling, some banana, or some mashed potato, some spaghetti, anything you desire. But this is the final result. It looks really beautiful and it smells so good, and it is easy to prepare. So thanks for making it Sue's Kitchen JA. Remember to drop me a comment down below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell once you're new. Thanks for visiting my channel, and have a blessed day now. Bye.